Hello, good morning, dear friends. This is Asif Javed welcoming you in another video on my channel Maths Quest. First of all, I would like to apologize from the very core of my heart that it took me, I think, a half month to make my new appearance on my channel. Although I should have been on my channel regularly, but due to some reasons, I could not post my video on time. Now, in this video, I would like to tell you that I am going to start a series of videos, and obviously that will be based on mathematics only. Most of the times when you ask students about higher mathematics, first of all, we are scared of mathematics, and that I discussed at length in the video that I first posted on my channel, that was mathematics phobia. Now, when we have actually got hold of the basic mathematics, so the next challenge before us is to catch hold of higher mathematics. In higher mathematics, we have n number of topics that we have to study. Mostly the graduate students and the postgraduate students have to tackle all these topics, have to battle with these topics. They have to actually catch hold of all these concepts. Some of the most celebrated topics that we have in mathematics is the real analysis. Then we have modern algebra, we have topology, we have differential equations. So these are the we have linear algebra. But in this video I am going to tell you one thing, that we will be starting from linear algebra. So I assure you that I will definitely make linear algebra an enjoyable experience for you guys. So this is a video before the main video that I am going to post about linear algebra. So I welcome all of you, those who are the new subscribers on my channel, and I would like to make a small request to you guys that please forward this video to your friends and who are near and dear ones to you, and actually who are interested in mathematics, because I'm going to launch this fresh series on linear algebra, and that will be an enjoyable experience for you. And that's it from today's video. This is Asif Javed signing off. Thank you so much.